Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Metabase connectivity drivers step by step clearly. To uninstall Metabase connectivity drivers, begin by opening your computer's control panel. Navigate to the Programs section. Click on Uninstall a program. In the list of installed programs, locate the Metabase connectivity drivers. Select the driver you wish to uninstall. Once selected, click on the Uninstall button located at the top of the window. Follow the prompts to complete the uninstallation process. If a confirmation dialog appears, click Yes or OK to proceed. Wait for the uninstallation to finish. Once the process is complete, close the control panel. Next, check if there are any leftover files or folders. Open File Explorer and navigate to the location where the Metabase drivers were installed. Delete any remaining files related to the drivers. To ensure all settings are removed, open the system registry. Type regedit in the search bar and hit Enter. In the registry editor, navigate to the HKEY_local_machine section. Look for any keys associated with Metabase. Delete those keys if they exist. Finally, restart your computer to complete the uninstallation process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.